Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing some of the best dinner recipes to make in an air fryer. If you're not familiar with an air fryer, it's a small appliance that uses hot air to cook food. So that intro was actually written by artificial intelligence. I'm sure by now you've heard about ChatGPT, and that's a tool driven by artificial intelligence that lets you have human-like question and answer sessions with a chatbot. It's incredibly detailed. I wanted to see if it could generate some recipes to make in the air fryer. I just straight up asked it what the best dinner to make in an air fryer is, and it actually came back with 5 recipes. And today I'm going to be showing you 3 of them because I don't want this video to be days long.
The first recipe ChatGPT recommended is roasted vegetables. It suggested slicing up zucchini, bell pepper, and sweet potato, then tossing them with oops, that's olive oil, pepper, and salt. It said to add to the air fryer basket and cook at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. It didn't say anything about preheating. I always preheat. It usually only takes 2 to 3 minutes, so I did that before cooking as directed. I had been skeptical about the time. I wanted everything to cook evenly without burning, but it looks okay to me.
If you're getting value from this video, go ahead and let YouTube know by dropping a like.
Next, GPT recommended shrimp skewers, which should be brushed with butter and, quote, your choice of herbs and spices, but it didn't specify. So I asked it what goes with shrimp. It once again returned with 5 suggestions, one of which was Old Bay, and we had a winner. I didn't even read the others because I love Old Bay so much. GPT once again omitted any information on preheating or soaking wooden skewers to avoid a fire, but I did both. It said to cook at 400 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. This sounded high to me. I suspected I'd end up with rubber if I did that. For Kasori's own cookbook, shrimp should be cooked at 370 for 6 to 10 minutes, and when I checked it halfway through, it was actually done. Next, ChatGPT said I should make grilled salmon, but I don't have a lot to say about salmon. I used aluminum foil to make a sling, so the salmon will be easier to get out of the basket when it's done. And of course, I sprayed it with my miso. This time I asked GPT for a sauce to go with it. So to a bowl, we add some Dijon mustard, some honey, and lemon juice. I'm using bottled because I'm not going to pay $1 per lemon for a fresh one. We add some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then we go mixy and brush the sauce onto the salmon. GPT wanted to cook it at 400 again, but Kasori says to do 350 for 8 minutes. Generally, you should cook salmon to 125 for medium, but the USDA suggests 145 to be safe, so I guess we're safe. I lifted the salmon out with the foil sling and plated it up.
I'll try this first because I'm into it. I don't know how you're supposed to actually eat stuff on skewers. I mean, shrimp's pretty easy to get off of them. Are you supposed to take them off? I don't know. Leave a comment down below. I don't know. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, I know a lot about food. And other times I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. So, all right, let's try the shrimp. I mean, I don't think it can be bad. Oh, they're really good. It's shrimp. I love shrimp. I love Old Bay. I can't taste the butter as much as I would like, but that's just me being picky because, I mean, butter. And, of course, I love the vegetables. I already ate half the vegetables. They turned out nice and brown. Okay, I gotta taste, not eat. We'll eat later. Now I got my salmon. I guess to try. I put a little more glaze on it. Let's see. That looks pretty nice. Try to zoom in on that. Hopefully I'm holding it someplace where I can do that. Pink inside, it looks juicy. Yeah, I mean, for salmon, it's good. I'm a huge salmon person. I literally got it for this video. But you know, it's fish. Don't worry, I'm not going to throw it away. We don't waste food around here. But the other fillet it came with is going to stay in the freezer, possibly indefinitely. But maybe I'll give it to my mom. She eats fish. Fish are weird. If you want to see another air fryer recipe, go ahead and click on this video. See you in the next one.